What's up guys, Tina here from Hustle Fanatics. If you're looking for ways to make money in South Africa online, you've come to the right place. Many people are struggling to make ends meet due to the coronavirus effect. So a lot are looking for ways of how they can make some extra income online. There are a lot of business opportunities online which can help you make extra income. But you might need to do some extra research because not all of them are legit. So this video is gonna show you some legitimate ways how you can make money online in South Africa and at least make some extra income. So at number one, becoming a drop shipper. Okay, so what is drop shipping? Drop shipping is where you sell other people's products. So you do not need to own any products. You do not need a lot of investment. Drop shipping in itself is quite a large topic to talk about. So I'll be making another video in the future of especially drop shipping. But I have made some money with drop shipping before, and this is what I did. I found these products on Facebook. When I was browsing on Facebook the other day, I just found this product keep coming up on my product feed. So I was like, hang on, why this product is coming up all the time on my feed? So I took a picture of the product and then started looking for this product online. So I found out that they were buying this product on this website from China, AliExpress, and then they were selling them at a higher price. And at that time was like, I just listed the product on a Facebook page. So people who wanted the product, I could just take, their details and then go and find a supplier from AliExpress. After doing some research, I did find, some suppliers which were selling these products, had a lot of buying history and had a lot of reviews. So I did find one which was quite a good supplier. In the future videos, I'll also make another video of how you can find best products to sell from AliExpress. So I was like buying for these customers from AliExpress, and then the supplier from AliExpress is just gonna send it straight to the customer. And then I will just take the difference of the money. So this is something that one can do. You can actually do international suppliers like AliExpress, or you can do like where you are in South Africa, you can just like write drop shipping suppliers in South Africa. You'll find a lot of suppliers where you can buy all these products from, and then you just list them. And then when somebody buys it, and then you go and buy it from the supplier, and the supplier is gonna send it straight to the customer. So this is another way of how you can, make extra money. Fiverr. So there is this website called Fiverr, where people, they just make their money through doing some services. So if you have like, a skill, it doesn't need to be like, a professional skill, no. So if you go like to fiverr.com, if you go to that website, you'll find out that there's so many people who are making money using this fiverr.com website. So you can just register and then you can list up a job. It can be anything, people are paying for anything. So they will pay you for doing a service, like, it's not before it used to be $5, for a service. But now people are making more than $5. It can be 5, it can be 10, it can be 7, it can be any amount of money that you want to charge. And then people are gonna pay you for those type of services. So it's not only one customer who's gonna come to you. So you're gonna have like different people coming from, different places making orders from you, because it's online. So you can, make money from all over, really. So that's just another way that you can make money online. So I will just put a link down below for fiverr.com where you can register and then put up some jobs or what that you can do on Fiverr. Become a content writer, freelancer. Content writers, they are making a lot of money. So if you have a skill, where you can write, like, you actually don't need a skill, because like, when I remember when I was at uni, we were given like a topic. It's not that you know about this topic if you have to write an essay on it. So you have to go out and do some research, which is the same thing as content writing, because there's a lot of people who are blogging now and they are looking for content. So you can make an article, you can advertise yourself as a content writer. There's a lot of websites, who are looking for content writers. So you can register with them, and then when somebody requests for a topic, like if they want an article, they'll come up to you so that you can, write an article for them. So these services charge per words. So if you make maybe like a 1,000-word article, you might come up with, quite a good amount of money. You just need to take the topic and then do some research on it and then write an article. Then you get paid. That's just another way of how you can make some extra income. Selling unwanted goods, If you have things that you actually don't need it anymore, you can list it up like on Facebook Marketplace or on Gumtree or on Amazon. There's people out there who are looking for bargains now, so you can sell these other things because you might not need it anymore, but there's somebody else out there who is actually looking to buy such type of thing. So you can list it up and then give them a bargain and you make extra money. If you want, you can also do this for other people, sell other people's items which they don't need anymore. Like, if they say, okay, I want this thing to be sold at 10 rands, and then you can say, okay, but this item is worth more than that. So you can, raise an amount a bit, and then you get the extra, these things, they do pile up. You might look as if, oh no, 10 rands, what am I gonna do with it? But it does pile up, it does add up. So consider doing that. Look around. You do have a lot of things that you don't need, trust me. So if you look around everywhere in your house, like, you'll find these things, and come on, sell them off. If they're just lying in there, what's the point? Somebody might as well just, buy it and then use it, and you gain extra income. A blog, a personal blog or a website. So like I did mention before about content writers, becoming a content writer. If you don't want to sell that, service, becoming a content writer, you might as well just set up your own website. There is a lot of, platforms now which, where you can make your own website. You can do a WordPress website. There is Wix. There's so many, and I'm gonna link some of them down in the description below, where you can, build a website. You do not need to be a web developer. You do not need to code. You just need, to follow the steps, and they are easy now. There's, so many platforms where you can build some websites easily. So you can just, build your website and then do the content, research on topics where you can, do the content and write about it. And then how do you make money with websites? There is a lot of ways of how you can monetize your website. There is AdSense, Google AdSense, where you can put some ads, Google ads on the website, and then people, when they visit your website, you get paid by them viewing the ad, or maybe if they click on the ad and then going to where the ad is takes them to, then you add more money that way. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.